Yeah, I got the old P3 out this morning. Same setup as last time. Nothing's changed except for the moderator. I went ahead and put my WFL Ryu on here. Just because I bought it for this gun originally. I just feel like this gun is more precise. It gives a better harmonic tune with that moderator. Guys, I don't see any white ones. Ooh, there's a brown one. Got him. Let's get his buddy, eh? Two of them down. Alright, so I got up on the brown one. There he is. Pretty cool, huh? This guy right here is giving me shit, though. He keeps trying to fuck with me. Yeah, you little asshole. Alright, back to it. Grab him in a second, but we're gonna come over here and grab this guy first. Hey, get away from my damn bird. Get the fuck out of here. See, dude, you gotta watch these guys. They don't care. They don't care at all. That one especially. You little bitch. Alright. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Don't be like your sister over there. Big cunt. Y'all better fucking relax. You chill out. Hey, chill the fuck out. They almost got me, dude. They almost got me. But I'm too quick. Got a handful of them here at 106 yards. Woo! Now. Oh, I'm still dialed way up. Let's bring her down. Dropped him. On the power line here is 91 yards. Yeah. Well, that was pretty wild. He flew around a bit, but he's down. Alright, this pair is at 70.9 yards, which is 2.1. Alright. Oh, bounced. These guys are at 103. 7.2. Leveled. This is easy. Nice. 109 yards. Nice. I had to move to this spot again because I got rudely interrupted by some fucking dudes with shotguns. Didn't bother to take a look and see if there was anybody else around them. Decided to set up 50 fucking yards from where I was. Scared every fucking bird away that I was trying to shoot. It's so irritating because this happened last time too by the same fucking people. They just have no consideration, and it's not safe at all to show up somewhere and not inspect your surroundings before you start shooting fucking shotguns. I don't know. That's my bitch for the day. But if you can't tell, I have got plenty of birds around here that I can shoot. I don't need to be over there. I'll be the bigger man and I'll move. I'll set up somewhere where nobody else is and be considerate of others, including workers. Fucking faggots, dude. These guys. 3 of them. Alright, let's do 4, because I see another. Oh, there's some more. We're just going to keep this going, huh? This is all in one little quick succession, man. Here comes some more. We're going to dial a little for these ones. I literally got more birds just now than those guys that interrupted my shooting over there will the whole fucking day. Got one at 80 yards, 3.5. I was just about to walk away too. I was gonna go on a little walk here, but nice. One here. Got him. Oh, there he goes down. This guy's at like 65 yards. This guy's at 110. Got him. Here's the 195 yards to that peak right there. Oh my God, I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. I got it on footage. 195 yards. Alright, I'm walking up on that 195 yard shot. I can't believe I got that guy, dude. There's the peak up there, and he's right down here at the bottom. 195 yards. I know I keep saying it, but that's the longest shot I've ever got on film. Here he is. Where did we get him at? Oh, we got him right through here. Right through the heart. Look at this guy. Sitting in the middle of the road over here. Getting like 105 yards. 7.3. We're gonna give it 7.2, and I'm just gonna hold a little high right on his head, basically. Leveled. Perfect. Here. 103.6, 7.1. I'm just gonna leave it the same as it was for the last shot, which is 103. Yes, sir. Not a chance. So, again, shooting the P3, I'm shooting the 33 grain precision slugs from H&N, and I'm telling you, they are absolutely amazing when you get them tuned. Over 1,000 rounds I've used of these, and they're amazing. Oh, here's a pigeon. Here's a pigeon. Hold on a sec. Right there. There he is. Fuck yeah. I got him. All right, we're gonna take a walk over here really quick and pick these guys up. These guys are at the very top of this tower. Very, very, very high up there. Look at that. All right, gonna aim a little low. Oh, he got stuck up there. Darn it. I was hoping he'd fall. Another one at like 50. Down. The range on these guys. 82.6. All right. Woo! Look at all that feathers. Solid. Perfect. Alright, let's see what we can do. Oh, leveled. Absolutely leveled. Look at that. Part of them is still up there. It's just sitting right here for some reason. Not anymore. There we go. Well, that's today's haul. I filled up this bucket completely, all the way. But, yeah. Not bad for a morning. Hope the farmer's happy.